Hey there, Omni fans. Welcome back to another awesome video. Today, for the first time, we're going to be doing a Lego building video. Now, here's a fun one. I have a short one, but here it is. I have a Lego Eternals set. Set is entitled Eternals Aerial Assault. Contains two characters, Icarus. Sorry, I didn't know I was speaking to Icarus, who was Irish, but Icarus and Sprite. And they're facing a deviant. Oh no! But anyway, let's build it. Here's a close up. Let me just scoot this wood. Alright, here it is. Close up. And I gotta turn on some lights. Alright then, lights are good. Now, let's get building. First, I'm going to start with the thumb part right there. Just going to use my thumb. Just going to break it in. Pull it out. Alright. Pretty standard. Got another. We do. Pretty standard as well. Is there a third? There's not a third, but we do have our instruction book. Woo! With QR code. Now then, let's start with the first page. Okay, shows sorting. Well, I'd hate to be one who didn't follow the rules. Let's get sorted. Now then, let's start with big pieces. Come on. There you are. Alright then. Let's get these by... Okay, first I have some minifig pieces. Then, I love this color and this shape. Looks so good. Look at this color. Look at this color. It's so slivery. Like that Homer Simpson thing from the episode of Simpsons. So slivery. Slivery. Alright, we got a lot of those. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 of these guys. Alright then, let's get the rest of the colors. Small pieces. You know, I'm gonna get a little tray for this. Just this for the small pieces. This guy's gonna be for the small pieces. All them small pieces go in there. Makes it a whole lot easier on me. Now then, let's start with second page. Ooh, we're building Sprite first, alright? Yep, Sprite. Sprite right there. Alright. Well then, let's get building. We have Sprite. Next page. We got Icarus. Alright, gonna need all the rest of these minifigs. I can bring you out there. Gonna need 2 of these guys. We got 2 of these pieces. Let's get this. Icarus the Prickipus. Alright, can you do that? In the comics, you know, Icarus is actually blonde. Just an interesting detail that you all might want to know. Alright, 2 main figures down. Now then, the main course, Deviant. Okay, we have a first piece, a grayish green 2x2 plate with a little hole on the end. Very nice, very nice. Now we also have, next we have, 2 curved connector pieces. Let's add them on, saying to add them diagonal. The bottom, let's add them diagonal on the bottom. There, added diagonal on the bottom. Now then, we need, 2x1 side connector piece. And a 3x1 plate, flat bottom connector piece, alright? It's saying do it like this. Alright, it's time to get 2 of these and 1 of these. Alright, let's do that. And then 1 of these. Alright then, we need these 2 pieces. And then, 1 of these. Goes right there. Next page. Sticker. Sticker time. Forgot, I didn't know there were stickers. There are apparently stickers. Alright. I apparently got the wrong one. So you need a blank one, alright? Need to be oh so precise. Otherwise my stars will get all dusty. And you know I hate when that happens. Alright. It's gonna go right there. Okay then. Ooh. 1 of these guys. It's going on the bottom here. Like so. Wait. Hang on a sec. I think I missed something quite important. Craggy. Okay. Seeing as I messed all that up, let's try this again. Go back. Right then. I believe this would be the main torso. Main torso complete. Leave that in the center. Now then, on to the next part, which seems to be some sort of leg. Oh, let's get a leg. Need 1 of these. Need 1 of these. This. Tweak that. Just slightly. Gonna need one of these guys. Boop. One of these guys. Ooh, interesting. Got most of the leg done. Next, we need. The voice. I skipped. Somehow I keep skipping. I don't know why. I need one of these guys. Ooh, I'm gonna sticker him. Nice. There goes that. Then I need a 2. It's gonna go on the top here, right there. Y'all can see it, right? Yep, you can see it. Alright. We need this and this with this. It's gonna go like that. This is gonna go right here. It's gonna go like that. Alright. Ooh, we're gonna attach this to this side. Alright. First leg attached. Next leg. Same process. Gonna get the same pieces I need. And so make sure I add killer beats to this. Next leg is going to be added in 3, 2, 1. Both legs added. Bam! Look at that. It's going to stand up right there. Ooh, look at that. Stand up right. Good for it. Alright. Ooh, we're going to be working on the feet. It says I need 2. So let's get 2. It's nothing. We're fine. I have a feeling I know where these are going to go. Right on the bottom there, I did not know if you were going to be, so there we are. There are the feet. Next is this. Seems I need 2x1 straight connector piece, no, straight ball joint connector piece, and a 1x1 two-side connector piece. It's going to go on the far one. There. Gonna need this. And one of these long ball joints. Then we need another one of these one pieces. There we are. Ball joint's gonna go on this gold elongated piece. It's gonna go like that. This little claw. Anything else? Nope, just right there. All right. There we are. Claw. I'm Claw Man. This is the wrong way. All right. It's fine, 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 it's not fine, it's not fine, not fine, not fine, not fine, I'll be fine though. This isn't even straight. Where's this? There we go. Tilt it back. There we are. Gonna do it again, but opposite side. And I hope to get an extra one with the long ball joints, but it's fine. Old Wolverine claws, boom bing. Yeah. Okay then. Boom. Still without even looking. I'm the boss. Oh yeah. I forgot. I am not him. I am not the he who is. Ooh. Next, droid piece. Need this piece. Gonna go like this, please. Ooh yeah. Gonna need this. Thank you. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Okay, gonna need two. These, I'm assuming it's gonna be ears. It's gonna be like a dog deviant. I'm so sorry. I forgot how to speak for a sec. Oh, you can see my face? You can see my face? Good. Just gonna get this under the table. You don't know what's going on. You hear the clicks. You don't know what they mean. But you know that this got out. See that? Right there, it's a head. Oh, just gonna rearrange myself. Alright then. Let's get this going. Gonna need this guy and this guy. Gold stud with hole in it. And 1x1 stud connector. What? Well, 1x1 stud. Well, 1x1 clamp connector. Still connects via clamp. Gonna need a small gold claw. Gonna need a 1x1 slope. 1x1 plate slope, if you prefer. Gonna need that head. Thank you very much. Just do that right there. Boom, boom. And put you on. Bang. There you are, main body. Now I believe there are wings. We're gonna be adding some wings. You know how happy this made me, baby. Whoop whoop. One of these. I'm gonna stab it in its ass. But keeping this PG, keeping this very PG. And right there. Non-weird at all. Alright. Oh, disco upsies. Sowies, mysies, badsies. We're making the wings, peoples. You're gonna need all these, these pieces, boys. Okay, let's start out with making one. Okay, as far as that goes. This is gonna have to go in there. Gonna need this. Then, right? I see where this is going, alright. It goes like this, it's gonna go like that. It's gonna go slide, slip, 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 slip. Said sliding, there we go. Gonna take one of you. Gonna do that. Then I'm just gonna have it sliding down. Don't go all the way around the downtown. There we are. Gonna do that 3 more times? Yeah, 3 more times. Yeah, you, sir, can get out of the way. I think that's enough of those. Okay, then let's do this. Oh, enough of that for now. I'll get to that later. Just gonna finish this now. What in hell did I do? What did I do? Oh, Misa did so bad. Can't use that piece anymore. It's a bummer. No, we still good. We can still get this video on. Leg cramp, girl. We're fine. If any of my fans out there know of the Manny Musicale, please let me know who you think wins. out of Danser avec toi and UTT. Sure, it'll be exhilarating. Almost got it. Getting there. Yep, this is what it said. Alright. We need 2 good gold-studded holes. 2 small connectors. Let's set up those for now. Then 2 of these. Sorry, it dropped. This needs to go on the end, like so. Yep, like so, then tilt that up. This also goes on its end. Push it a little farther in. Tilt that up, turn that to match all the rest. Alright, let's see what's next. 6 of these for each, alright. It's gonna go like this. Then, let's do this. Left wing. Done. Tilt that out one direction. Make sure it looks good. There we are. One wing. Let's get the next. I see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Seems I had 1 extra. I'm gonna keep this and use this for later projects that you might see on the channel. That's another story for another time. Now then. Just gonna bring that over. I don't need that tilting all the time. Okay then. Is that it? That is it. Why? Hang on. No, not my thing. Did you know that Ezra Miller was in the Eternals? Very interesting. Or someone that looks like him. They gave me a sword for some reason. Interesting. There's not a single reason why there's a sword. It's in the instruction manual. Here, let me find it. See? Right there is a sword. Now, I don't know why, but it's there. So, seems pretty weird. Anyway. So, what we got here is Deviant. Roar, I'm gonna kill all of humanity and take their genes for myself. Then we have Sprite going, nah, bitch. And there no. Oh, the alternate head's just worrying. I'm gonna stop you. And Icarus is like, good, keep it distracted while I fire at its head. Shh, don't let it see me. Boo, 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 boo. Booski. Booski. Yeah. We win. And these are your characters. Thanks for watching. Hope you like, comment, and subscribe this video. And share it with all your friends. Now then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, OmniFans.